Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in this channel, we'll be focusing on our communication skills, like how we can speak better. Actually, the best way of improving our communication skills is like whatever the events are happening daily, if we try to express that feeling in English. So maybe it will help us to improve our speaking skills. Anyways, let's try. So especially the issue is when we are trying to speak in English, so in our brain, what we use to translate from our local language to English language, right? So when we are doing this process in brain, it takes some time and effort, so that actually delay the speaking skills. So we will try to optimize this translation from our local language to our specific English language. So improve our skill. What we can do if we can express our daily life events into a single video each day. I will publish in this channel, and I will express myself. In order to improve English, keep communicating, keep learning. You also can share your opinions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We'll meet soon. Thanks.